Hey everybody, this is King from Team Beta. In this tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to build a simple race with Beta using CodePop. Here's the game that you'll be making. If you do level, play, race, King, you'll be able to pull this game up and test it out. And I'm going to give you a quick preview here. So you'll run and you'll race against an actor. And if you get there first, you win. And if you get there second, you lose. Alright, so let's get started. Level, create, race. I'm actually going to write over this existing level so we can start from scratch. So follow along on the tumblr, episode 1, and all of the code is there, and also some additional description. That's betadagame.com, go to blog. So I'm going to spawn to place myself at 0, 0. Then I'm going to build a row of platforms at 0, 1 for a length of 20. So give us our area to run. I'm then going to build a row of spikes at 8, 0 for a length of 2. Then I'm going to add a platform to x19, y0. The add command is different from the row and column in that it adds one object and to a particular location. So I add this here. I'm going to inspect this platform and look at its current properties. You can see when you run get and then an object name, it'll output here. And I'm actually going to change the skin, so set platform skin red block. That'll make it stand out so we know what we're going for. I'm going to add a sensor to x7, y0, and I'm going to make the height and width 35. The normal size of a square is 70. And so 35 makes it smaller, and it allows the actor to jump a little bit later. So sensors are invisible objects that when they're added you can't see them, but you can identify them by clicking on them. And these invisible objects can be programmed to trigger events in the game. So we've added that. And of course, let's add our actor to x1, y0. We'll name it alpha, and we'll skin it alpha. And we're going to set the team to 0, which is the same team as beta, and this means that they won't collide with each other. So now that we've built our level structure, we're going to add what are called collision events to this game so that things can start happening. The first will be a collision add end. And this means that when beta and platform 01 stop colliding, then we're going to run another CodePop command, and that CodePop will be actor walk alpha 20, which tells the alpha character to walk for 20 squares. The next command will be a collision add begin. When alpha collides with this sensor, we're going to run a command that says actor jump alpha, and this will tell alpha to jump over the spikes when he runs towards them. Now that we've set up the running and jumping, we'll add a collision add begin between beta and the red block, and we'll do level win. This means that when they come in contact, you'll win. And I just pressed up to go back in my history, so I don't have to type the whole thing out again. And I just changed this to add begin between alpha and 19, 0, but this time we'll do level lose. And then we'll save, and notice it got backed up. And one last thing we'll do is we'll level set privacy public. And what this will do is it'll make your game available to other players on the beta net. Now do another save. And now I should be able to play my game. So level play race king. And now here's my game. Alright, he beat me, and let me get him this time. Alright. So that's the SimpleRace tutorial episode. Try it out yourself, build, modify it, add more spikes, change the pathway, and share your mods on YouTube and on our social media channels. We'll give you a shout out so people can try your game. And definitely, if you have any issues, check out the Tumblr, write some comments, or the YouTube channel, and we'll do our best to help you through it. Hope you enjoyed this. Looking forward to seeing what you guys make. Check you later. Team Beta.